it behind a tree, but I lost my shot opportunity. So I'm gonna head up to the tree stand, see if I can get it from there. The visibility will be better. First, I'm gonna have to unload this rifle.
There are many reasons why you may need to unload your firearm. You may need to grab something from the truck. You might be climbing up a tree stand, or you may lose your shot opportunity. Whatever the reason is, if the shooting moment passes by and you're no longer taking that shot, you need to unload your firearm. Your first step is to point the muzzle in a safe direction. Then, make sure nothing touches the trigger area. Next up, turn on or activate the safety, if it can be left on while unloading. Then remove the ammo by either detaching the magazine or by cycling the shells or cartridges through the firearm. Once the ammo is removed, look in the chamber and magazine to check that there isn't ammunition hiding in there. Then inspect the feeding path for any empty casings or hull. You'll also need to look or feel for the follower, if your firearm has one. That'll do it. Now you're unloaded and good to go.